morning, mga gayem. Good morning. Hello. Anong ulam? Wow. Kape na tayo. Good morning, Gavin and Tio. Happy birthday. Whose birthday? Whose birthday?
You.
Mommy? Tomorrow, Gavin? Yes. Breakfast. Nila?
Ito yung nahuli nila, Mark at ni Daryl.
Wow! Good job!
Nila nag-boat at saka nag-fishing.
Wow!
Nakahuli sila ng tuna. Mackerel.
Okay, salamat.
Yan, ilagay mo dyan. Gusto ko maraming mantika. No, that one go there. Mamaya tatalsik sa akin kaya hindi ko. There's more coffee.
Fresh na fresh talaga. Oh,
Yes.
galing
Just
naman.
like me.
Fresh. Good job, Mart. No? Rap. Gutom na ako. Okay, we are going soon. Hurry up, Theo. 3, 2, 1, go! Good job! Good job, guys. Okay, 3. Not yet. 3, 2, 1, go! Oh, Gavin is the winner. See? Even Ninang Ivy. Good job. Okay. Aliyah, your turn. 3, 2, 1, go. It's hard. See? Look at Aliyah. Gavin win again. Good job. Oh no, forgot. You need it? Hi Bella. What happened? Careful, Teo. What's... Oh, lamok? Okay, let's go, Bella. Bye-bye. Say bye-bye, Part. See you, Part.
I'm going up there first. Go up there first.
Okay, let's go. Okay. Mosquito bite you? Careful. Okay, let's go in the beach now. Theo, are you going on the top? Are you going on the top? Oh, you did? Okay. Good job. Say bye, Part. Holy cow. Bye, Part. See you. For who? And for everybody? Making bracelet? Okay. Yeah, you already give one, right? What? Rama want two? Okay, you're making one more? Okay. They don't like the... Bella, finish your bracelet. Are you done? Yeah? Come on, finish it. Good job, Bella. Okay.
No, it's not show speed. I told him to do my show speed. Now he's
Pauwi na siya. Ayan, nagbabalot na ang Sharon. There's a dog here, Theo.
see the game.
Be careful. There's a... Can you come here this way? Because Iini here. Can you move here? Not around the dog, okay? Can you see it?
Denny, you got any water?
Can you see it, Theo, or no?
How do you do that? Do you see games like a robot game and a shooting game? Yeah, get the piece. Start up and then put it in the console. Don't you go in the game for you? Yes.
My buddy Mike, my buddy Matt.
Bruh. I'm putting the game on.
Matt's the road. We're walking
Yeah, you
into town.
Wake up, wake up! Hi, Bella. Good morning. You awake? Give for you and Theo. Give that one to Theo. Theo, you have a gift. Wake up time. It's breakfast. Wow. You don't want to do it like this. You blow it. More. Blow more. Harder. Like Theo. Okay, that's fine.
Bella, you want some egg? You want hot dog? No?
Bye-bye, tent. Bella, say bye, tent. See you next time. Next year camping.
Take the cover off and put it over there. I counted 10 just like, and I stopped counting.
Aren't you happy we did not get that? Or
Yeah, we got lots.
Darwin won't be sleeping.
Yeah.
Oh, there's the mommy one.
Yes, Bella.
Where's the mommy one?
It's not a mommy.
It's a baby.
I don't like spiders. If I knew that, I'd
That's
probably
big.
not sleep.
Really?
Oh, we got
I'd
lots.
rather fox than a spider.
Wow.
You got
Oh my gosh. Too many. Spider-Man. Spider-Man. Spider-Man.
Oh, Jimmy.
Yeah,
We're gonna be a Spider-Man. They're gonna bite us. Oh my. We're gonna turn into Spider-Man, Theo.
Only two bites that Spider-Man got.
Oh?
Spider-Man got two
Yes.
from a black widow.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye camping. See you next year.
No, I don't want to be here.
back and be sight.
Bella, what are you doing? Why are you hiding? Good job.
Oh, you like to
We left Annie. Happy birthday, Gavin. Okay. Smile. Cheese. Campy. It's closed now. Mine too? There you go, Bella. Say bye-bye camping.
I'm hot in here.
See you next time. Bye.
You should have your toy.
Oh, look at that, Theo. Windmill. Bye. I only see one. One windmill.
If you leave the other way, there's lots of them.
Okay. Bye-bye. Bella, say bye.
Bye.
See you next time.